More flights being offered in and out of Connecticut is a good thing for travelers, but some are saying expansion at Tweed New Haven Airport would be bad for the environment.
A new study finding pollutants are coming from jets at Tweed, and there is a fear that more planes at a bigger airport would be harmful to the health of those living nearby, including cancer. News 8's Brittany Schaefer explains what else was revealed.
The impacts, they were evident outside and inside residences.
The findings of a new independent air pollution study reveal harmful particles from planes taking off and landing at Tweed Airport expand beyond the runway.
Inside concentrations at someone's residence, which was give or take 2.5 blocks away from the airport. And in the afternoon time, in particular, see this gradual increase in concentrations, and they're sort of elevated for hours and hours and hours.
Tufts aviation emission researcher Dr. Neelakshi Huda conducted testing in neighborhoods surrounding Tweed Airport in June and July. She says there is variation depending on wind direction and specific pollutant, but the particles do linger and neighborhoods are impacted with health risks including cardiovascular disease, adverse learning outcomes in children, preterm birth, and brain cancer.
Clear impacts from landing jet plumes that we observed at locations up to a good kilometer away from the edge of the runways.
Those kinds of studies are very important, and they demonstrate the need for technology and modernization of airports.
The findings of this independent study were presented a day after the mayor of East Haven and Save the Sound nonprofit announced they are filing appeals to the FAA's approval of Tweed's expansion without an environmental impact study, rather conducting a year-long environmental assessment. Airport spokesman Andrew King says Tweed will serve around 1.2 million travelers annually either way, and the expansion will modernize the terminal.
Carbon neutral terminal, electrifying many of the fossil fuel operations, including ground operations, things that neighbors smell, showing us exactly what happens if we do nothing. The project will reduce those impacts and even protect the neighborhood even more.
Dr. Huda was hosted by New Haven's Environmental Advisory Council, and while Chairwoman Laura Kahn hopes the expansion won't add to the air pollution, she says more flights won't help.
The real issue is the number of flights that take off per day, because every time a flight takes off, there's a burst of jet fuel. So I think we need to be very cognizant of that.
And King tells me they are confident in the FAA's decision and are moving forward with the expansion project that's now entering the design and permitting phase. In New Haven, I'm Brittany Schaefer, News 8.